Hiya, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rosie Henshaw. If you're new here, then welcome. It's lovely to meet you. And if you're already existing, guys, then thank you so much for coming back. So grab yourselves a nice cup of tea and some snacks. Mine is a water in my new Home Bargains mug, which comes part of a set, which I thought was really, really cute. All my washing machine's done. So it is a nighttime video. The reason being is my children are now off of school for the Christmas holidays. And do you know what? I can't get anything done like this in the day, so I'm having to do it all of an evening. Obviously, these are some of the gifts that I've got for them as well, so don't want them to see. So this is a B&M haul, but it's also including gifts that I'm actually going to be wrapping for people, including my children. So on the down low. So I thought I'd come on and show you because I don't do really gift guides. I don't really like that kind of thing personally on my channel, just because I think everyone sets the budgets that they can set for themselves, and I never want to make people feel bad or like they've not done enough, or some people feel like they've done too much. So I feel like that's a private thing. So I only ever show a few things that I've picked up in the shops as bargains. And like I done a gift guide, I think it was about 2 years ago, and it was basically the same thing. It was just a few of my favourite bits from what we were getting them. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the first thing I picked up in there from B&M was this. So I thought this was a really good bargain, and I thought it's a really great gift for somebody who wanted to pick it up. So this is the Elle Magic Hot Air Styler. Now, I was gonna say it is air, isn't it? Not hair. It's not because I'm like East London, like air. So I don't want to go with this. So I thought this was really good. So it's in a lovely like matte pink. It's got 3 settings on it, heat settings, and it's like a rounded brush. It's ceramic coating with anti-tangle. Now, Millie is always asking me to do her hair. Now, I don't like over processing her hair with heat, but obviously it's nice to blow dry their hair if you're getting them showered and out the door. She is getting a little bit grown up now and she wants to do her own hair, but I just find some products on the market are too heavy and bulky, and I don't really want to use in straighteners yet. So I thought this would be really good to start her off doing her own hair. And I didn't actually know how much this was. I took it up to the till. They did have lots of stuff in there that was new coming out that hadn't put the labels on, so I didn't know how much they were. So I've got a few things like that. So these are all things that I was like, oh, I'm really surprised it actually cost that. So went up to the till. I thought this would be about £35. It come up at £16. I could not believe it. It looks so luxe, so expensive. It's such a nice boxing as well, like nice wording on it. And I thought that would be a perfect gift for sort of like a teenager or a woman. Like it'd be really good, even a guy. Really, really good present. But I just thought it looked so luxe. It's also got like little rose gold bits on it. It's got like an anti-tangle lead as well. You know, like the cord rotates at it, so as you're going around doing it. It's for voluminous hairstyles, and I just thought that was really good. I dare say I'll be nicking that myself. It also goes up to 240 volts, so the heat is 1200. I thought that was just really, really good. Another thing that they was putting out that was new, I thought these were so good. So I have seen the Slush Puppy machines. Now they're about £30 to £40 in most shops. And you can get the cups that are like the pouches that you squish sort of thing. And they're like £15, like the little tiny pretend machine ones. So when I saw this, I wasn't sure how much this was, but my kids have all requested a Slush Puppy machine, and I just sort of thought, is it going to be one of them little 1 minute whim things and they don't end up using them? So when I saw these, I thought I'd give these a go dependent on the price. So what you get here is a slushy making cup. It comes with blue raspberry syrup, and basically it's a little thermos cup, and what you do is it's got a metal bit on the inside that you put inside the freezer. You get it out, put it in the cup, and then put your syrup in, and apparently it turns into Slush Puppies. You can buy the refills for these for £2.99. But when the man went up to the counter to go check how much these were, because there was me and another lady asking how much these were £5.99. I thought that was such a good gift, and I find teenage boys the hardest to get. So I always find like sweets and sort of things like that, maybe games. But if you want to go for like a little wrap up that's not electrical, how cool is that little Slush Puppy? Like, you know, like you could also get, like, if you want to bulk the present up, you could get, like, they have a lot of American candies and stuff in there, get that as well. Maybe get the refills, you really want to bulk it up. And I just thought that was so good for £5.99. So each of the kids got one of these wrapped up for them. Following on, if your children are into sort of like themed things, so my boys are really into sort of like Minecraft, and they've got a lot of stuff in their PlayStation, Xbox kind of themed stuff, but one thing that they've really got a lot of, which Millie is like obsessed with, is Friends. So I wanted to show you these bits because I thought these were really good value. Also, just to let you know, I'm in my pyjamas, but it is because it's late, for one. I don't need any other reason but that. But I am on antibiotics at the moment. I've got another infection, another breastfeeding infection, like mastitis, and I've not been feeling great, and I'm really sweaty and then really cold. So I've got my jumper and everything on. I'm a bit like in my PJs, a bit hot, but I've got a bit of energy now. So I thought, come on, why not? So let's get back into the Friends bit, Rosie. They have got makeup sets that are Friends, which I thought was so good. So they had these. So these were, where's the thing? Right, we're gonna have to go a little bit like locomotive. What even is that? It's like a train, isn't it? I'm gonna have to do guesstimate prices, but I know the maximum there won't be no more, so you might get a little pleasant surprise. No, I'm joking. I'll go and find out my receipt. Put my receipts in a box. So I'll go and find that. I think this was 12. So we've got the Friends makeup palettes. So they've got this lobster one, and it comes with all like the ready sort of like brownie colours in it. And I thought this would be really good for Millie. She would love this, and the fact that it's like Friends as well. They also had, I think this was about £9 or £8.99, something like that. And they've got these Friends makeup brushes, and they're all different colours, but each of them have got, like, so you've got concealer brush, eyeshadow brush, foundation brush, contour brush, and powder brush. But they've all got like sayings from Friends on them. So there's one that says pivot, and one says, they don't know that we know that they know. And also, you are my lobster, how you doing? And oh my God. Yeah, so that's it in an American accent. So she will love these. And they also had, I couldn't not get this one. They've got some smaller little sets in there as well. This one I think was 15, and this one comes with more brighter colours, eyeshadow palettes. The other one was an eyeshadow palette as well. She likes experimenting on eyeshadows. We don't let her wear foundation and stuff, so it's more like blush and eyeshadow experimentation. But it is Monica's doll little frame, so I thought that was really, really cute. She's just gonna love these. So I've got those. Also as well, she likes to watch films and stuff on her laptop, and sometimes she'll sort of sit there, and it's nice because obviously we all watch different things. We're all in different rooms sometimes, in the snug or in the living room. We like to get together, and the boys tend to like watching, I don't know, more action-packed Marvel films. So when it's their turn, sometimes she really just doesn't want to watch it, so she'll be on her laptop, but so she can listen to it at the same time. She likes some earphones, so she's asked for some earphones. Now, some earphones can be really expensive. When I saw these, I thought these were such good value. So these were £15, but yet again, they are Friends. So they're foldable as well, so you can take them out. They're Bluetooth. Oh, they're Bluetooth. See, they don't even have a cord on them. That is so good. I didn't even notice that. And they says, I'd rather be watching Friends. They had two colours of these. They had a pink one and a red one. They did do Mario ones in there as well, like different gamer ones, Xbox style ones, and I thought that was really good. They did also have like an Xbox stand, like an Xbox gamer stand, and you could put your headphones on it. And so as well, I picked up from the Minecraft section. This was in the sale. I don't know how much this was meant to be. I think this was meant to be 11 or 12, and it ended up being £7 for it. So I'll take the little case off it. So this is just a little wrap up, but the boys love to draw, and there's a thing on YouTube that they like to watch, and it's a dad and a son, and they teach you how to draw things. The dad's an animation artist, and he shows you how to draw really easily. It's so good, but the boys like doing it, so I thought with these on their lap in front of the sofa, they've got like a little bean tray here, and they've got the little bit here where they can put their pens, little tray, lap tray, so they could do a little bit of drawing. These were only £7, and I thought they're really nice and thin. They'll fit in their desk drawers as well, and if they want to do a little bit of Lego on the sofa, modelling, do you know what I mean? It's just something easy that they can do. And I thought what would be really good is if we like travelling in the car and they want to do bits like that, it's easy for them to do it with these on their lap. And it's only £7, and it's in the Minecraft theme, what they really like. I did pick up a bit of Lego as well. I like to pick up these little sets for like friends and stuff. I find Lego can sometimes be quite expensive, but in B&M they've got a lot of these Marvel Spider-Man sets and stuff, and these are only £8.99. So if you've got to get like, you've got a £10 budget or something for a child, you can get a little Lego set and then make it up by putting some little sweeties in a bag as well for it to make up the £10. So I thought that was really good. Especially I know some big families, they do like Secret Santa, or they just get the children and they do like a £10 limit each and stuff. I thought they're really good if children's into Lego. And lastly, I picked up in B&M this. So this was $4.99 and it's a little Friends cup. So this is a little insulated cup. She loves Friends. She's going to be absolutely obsessed. She's going to love these little bits. And it's glittery and it's double walled inside. Can you put it in the dishwasher? This is always a big thing for me, whether I can dishwash it or not. Yes, you can dishwash it, but you can't microwave it. That's fine. And it's for hot and cold, and it's just a little sippy mug on the go. They also had like a pink one as well, but she'll like that because Millie is a hot chocolate lover, and we live near the seaside, so the sea is literally about 10 doors away from us. I got that wrong, like the sea lives there. He lives 10 doors down. No, so about 10 houses away, we're away from the seafront, like the actual proper seafront. So we go down there walking Bertie in the winter and stuff. Sometimes it's nice for them to have little cups like this, make a little hot chocolate and go take the dog for a walk. So I picked this up as well. It's like a little stocking filler. Just wanted to let you know as well, this isn't an ad. I did do work, it is like part of a previous ad, so that's why I want to let you know. So this week I worked with Lala Loopsy dolls. If you remember what they are, Millie was absolutely obsessed with them. She really, really loved them. And they've relaunched them in Smith's Toy Store. So you can actually go to Smith's Toy Stores now and pick these up. They've got 8 new dolls and they're actually even cuter and they're like bigger than what they were. But I wanted to let you know because I do a lot of crafts on my channel as well. We do a lot of crafting over here. So I thought I'd let you know, if you enjoy watching crafts, we've done a little reel and me and Millie, we made like a Christmas chalet where we've like used just basically a cardboard box and bog standard like a little bit of felt, pipe cleaners, tissue paper and cotton wool balls for like cheap ones that you use for baby. We've made a little Christmas chalet for the Lala Loopsy doll and we thought it'd be really fun if everyone got involved. That was the aim of it. So if you are at home and you want to do something crafty, it might give you a little bit of inspiration. And these are available at Smith's. This isn't an ad or anything now. This is obviously just letting you know. So that it's for clarification, obviously the thing that I'm directing you to is an ad. But we had so much fun making it. It was really, really fun because when we got asked to do it, I thought Millie might be a bit more grown up now for these dolls. I know my niece Lottie is gonna love this. This is gonna be for Lottie when she comes. And they come with these little pets as well. It comes with like a little puppy pet. In all the bright colours too. But it was just so fun making the doll's house for it. It was just such a fun activity to do. So I thought even like a good gift idea would be, if you get a little doll like this, like a Lala Loopsy doll, they are in Smith's, you can go and get some craft stuff and make the house for it. And then it's cheaper than you haven't got to go out and get that. You don't always have to buy big dolls' houses and all the dolls and all the accessories. You can do these things. And do you know what Millie said to me, which was really sweet? She was like, Mum, I really enjoyed making the doll's house, probably more than if I got one bought. And I actually think that that is true. I think us parents, we sometimes get a bit stuck in a rut where you feel like they need loads of stuff, but they genuinely prefer doing stuff with us, which I know is not always, you know, we're at work and things like that. It's not always available to do that, but yeah, they definitely do enjoy it when you can. So this has been my little B&M haul. Sorry I haven't really been filming. Like I said, I haven't been feeling very well. I have had an infection, not been great, and yeah, there's just been a few things going on in the background really. Gary also had his van broken into with some expensive stuff taken out of his van for work. So it's just not been the greatest week. So I thought I'd come and film this before I wrap it up. So if there's any goodies here that you thought was good, like good value, so you can go and get them too. But yeah, I've been Rosie Henshaw. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go check out my Instagram as well. It's really cute. Millie's so proud. It's the first thing that she's loving crafting, showing it to people. So yeah, I've been Rosie Henshaw. See you later guys. Take care. Bye.